Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary and I'm a mom, a wife, and former gymnast turned into home fitness enthusiast. For today, you can probably tell by the title of this video that we are going to do a full week of workout. Just to give you a broad idea, I'm currently doing a maintenance. I like the way my body looks and I'm not trying to cut any fat or change it in any other ways. I loosely track my macros, but if you are interested in nutrition, please leave it in the comments so that I know that you're interested in seeing a video related to how I track my macros and how to go from phase to phase. Also, just so you know, for every single workout, I usually do 5 to 10 minutes cycling to warm up, but I'm not gonna show this in this video because that would be really boring for you guys to watch every single time. And I also do 15 minutes walk with my dog every morning before work. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Hey everyone, it's the first day of my workout split, which usually starts on a Sunday, and I am going to go and do an upper body workout with my daughter. So it might get a little bit chaotic, I'm telling you, but I still want to get a workout in even if I'm a solo mom with my daughter. So quickly, I am wearing this high neck long top from Crazy Yoga in the color black. I don't know if you can tell, if you can see in the back, it's a racer back top, and these biker shorts with pocket from Crazy Yoga as well. So let's get started on this week of workouts. So it's Tuesday and I am wearing this amazing outfit from Crazy Yoga again. White top, bra, and the leggings in the same color. I love this outfit and I feel like it screams Pilates. So that's what we are going to do on this lunch break. So let's go do forma Pilates. Guys, it's Tuesday and Tuesday means rest day or active recovery day for me. So what we usually do on Tuesday, my dog and I, is we go on a longer walk on my lunch break, and I am wearing this romper, never know how they are called. It's from Aritzia, the new Divinity in the TNA butter material, and I really love the way it looks in the back. It goes lower. This TNA butter material is outstanding, should I say even better than Lululemon Align material, and I have it in the full length leg. So let's go and take a walk. It's Wednesday and today we are going to do heavy leg day with a little bit of cardio. So I'm wearing a Lululemon outfit today. It's the white bra in black and these leggings in kind of a sage color. So let's go and do some legs. It's Thursday, and usually on Thursday I do conditioning full body workout, but I had a really bad night of sleep last night because my daughter was waking up very often in the night. I really feel that there is something that is really not talked about enough. You need to listen to your body, and I know that the line is kind of subtle between pushing your body because you don't want to work out and you don't feel like working out, and listening to your body because you don't want to put more stress on your body, because there will be nothing that will screw your progress more than not listening to your body. But I decided to go ahead and do some yoga today on the Fitness Plus app from Apple, and tomorrow will be probably a full body or an upper body with cycling. So let's go ahead and show you the outfit that I got for today's workout. So I'm wearing this Vitality top and Crazy Yoga's leggings. They are the Butterlux material, and like I said before, I feel like if you love Aligns, you're gonna love these for the fraction of a price. It definitely is worth it. I own both Lululemons and Crazy Yoga, and I enjoy working out in both of them. So let's get started with this yoga workout for today's lunch break. I just finished my yoga practice, and I always joke that my favorite pose is the Savasana. Anyway, the last pose where you're literally just lying on the floor. But I just wanted to tell you how great that felt to listen to my body. I could have worked out today, but I would have pushed my body and put more stress on my body. And if I've learned anything from working out for so many years, is that you have to be careful not to burn yourself out. Today, the stretch that this yoga practice provided was exactly what I needed. Don't be afraid to listen to your body. Sometimes it's going to be a walk instead of a run. Sometimes it's going to be a yoga workout instead of a lifting workout. And sometimes it's just going to be no workout, and that's okay, and that's fine, as long as you get back on track as soon as possible. Finding a way to move your body will help with reducing stress, but make sure that you don't put extra stress on yourself. I will see you guys tomorrow for another great workout. It's Friday, the last day of the week for this week of workouts, and I'm going to go and do some upper body weightlifting, just because I am still really tired from this leg day that I did on Wednesday. I lift pretty heavy and I feel like my body still needs to recover. And I am wearing this Crazy Yoga white bra. As you can tell probably from this video, this kind of bra is my favorite. I have so many of them in so many different colors. And I also have these biker shorts from Crazy Yoga with the pockets here that I wear for working out or as well as when I'm out and about. So let's get started with this workout of the day. So this is it, you guys. You have my entire week of workout. I'm pretty proud of myself because I was solo mom the entire week and I managed to get in as many workouts as I intended to. And obviously Saturday is for family day with my daughter, and I will be taking it as a rest day. Maybe we'll be doing some activity outside, but that won't count as working out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because it really helps with YouTube, and I will see you guys in my next video.